Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Optimize your fuel economy while saving money in the long term with the great miles per gallon offered in this vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.